Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you HyperX Cloud 2 one side not working, how to fix. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribe our channel.
Then here you will see people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. One people says that had the same issue, was as easy as blowing the dongle USB and plug it back. Don't instantly think it is broken or go straight to support. Another people says that so I found the problem is a wire inside the right ear cup split in two. I have no experience with this nor I am confident in my ability to fix this. Is there any way I can send these back to repair in the nearby shop? And here you will see another people says that if anyone is still dealing with this and not drop the headphone or anything, right click the speaker on the bottom right of your screen, checking if windows change your channel volumes. Right click the speaker on the bottom right of your screen in your tree, then go to sound settings, then go to under output, choose your headphones. Under output, find left and right channel. I just woke up, booted up my PC and mine was set 80 and 20 for some damn reason. If you are set to a normal volume number and still don't have audio, then it is most likely the wire split has mentioned in this thread. So if you have problem with your headphone, then go straight to the support and contact the official support team regarding this. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.